Picture this. You're walking down the street, Osmo Pocket 3 in hand, thinking, yeah, this is as good as it gets. The colors pop, the footage is buttery smooth, and it fits right into your jeans pocket. But just as you're editing that footage, boom! Leaks start dropping like popcorn in a microwave. DJI isn't just coming for the crown, they're about to redefine what a pocket camera is. Meet the rumored Osmo Pocket 4, the upgrade no one expected but now everyone is buzzing about. And let's just say, it might be the closest thing to putting a cinema camera in your palm. Alright, let's talk camera tech. This isn't just another sensor refresh or a gimmick feature. Nope. DJI is allegedly bringing Hasselblad tech to the Osmo Pocket 4. Yeah, that same Hasselblad that makes photographers cry tears of joy over skin tones and color science. If true, this changes the game entirely. We're talking real pro-grade optics and color accuracy baked into a gimbal camera smaller than your phone. And with DJI reportedly eyeing a 75% stake in Hasselblad, we may be entering an era where every DJI camera benefits from that legendary imaging DNA. It's not hype anymore, it's evolution. Now let's get physical, because size does matter when you're filming on the go. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to be a bit beefier at 190 grams. Why? A beautiful 2.5-inch rotating screen with 800 nits of brightness. That's right, no more squinting in the sun like you're trying to read an ancient scroll. The screen will be immersive, easier to control, and a dream for vloggers who want to see themselves in action. And the ergonomics? Textured grip, smarter button layout, everything designed to make you feel like you're holding confidence in your hand. Under the hood, it gets even spicier. Leaks suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. Combine that with 10-bit color, HDR recording, and a dynamic ISO range up to 16,000. You're looking at cinema-grade footage in a device smaller than your favorite chocolate bar. Autofocus is also getting an IQ boost with phase detection and eye tracking, meaning your subject stays sharp even if you're chasing your dog through the park or filming on a moving scooter. Creators who live life on the move, this is your weapon. Let's talk brains. The Osmo Pocket 4 won't just be a pretty face, it's got the rumored ActiveTrack 7.0, blending AI tracking with real-time eye and face detection. Want your camera to follow you through chaos like a loyal puppy? This is it. Stabilization is also getting a hybrid upgrade. Mechanical gimbal meets intelligent algorithms. Think, silky smooth footage while running, jumping, or chasing sunsets. And for the slow-mo lovers, how does 4K at 240 frames per second sound? That's double the frame rate of Pocket 3, perfect for B-roll that gives your audience goosebumps. Of course, all this tech needs juice. Rumor has it the Osmo Pocket 4 will support super-fast PD charging, going from 0 to full in just 25 minutes. And with an improved battery, likely above 1,300 mAh, creators can shoot longer and stress less. As for price, expect around $699 for the base model and $799 for the creator combo, including mics, mounts, and magic. Release date? Late 2026 or early 2027, right on cue with DJI's 3-year cycle. Yes, these are leaks, but even if half of this comes true, the Pocket 4 could dethrone everything in the compact camera space. So, what do you think? Are we witnessing the dawn of the ultimate vlogging machine? Is Hasselblad finally coming to the pocket-sized masses? Drop your thoughts below. We want to hear what you think DJI should include. And if you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay ahead of the camera curve, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.